going to show you a little hack. So this has to do with adding images to social stories or directions or anything you need. I opened up Google Docs, then I'm going to go up here to my Chrome extensions and I'm going to open Read and Write. Read and Write is a free extension for all teachers, and it also is free for all students for 30 days, and after 30 days the district can purchase a subscription for kids with reading and writing disabilities that need these extra features. So I'm writing a social story here. I always listen to the teacher, and then I'm going to type in here, my teacher has important things to say. When I listen, my teacher is happy. And then I'm like, okay, so I really would like some images to go in here. I'm going to make some big old spots here to put these images. Okay, the first one I really want is the word listen. So I'm clicked on listen, and then I went up here to this little doodad that is a picture dictionary. And then I see it brought up some Smarty symbols for listen. Symbol sticks, and I like that one. So I'm going to just drag it in. And then from here, it's just an image. So I can make it bigger, smaller, etc. It's not the highest quality, but that's okay. So now here, let's say I really want the word say to have some meaning. I'm going to drag that one in. And then I'm going to make it a little bigger. And then happy. Of course, I really want a picture of happy, so I'm going to take that. I'm going to drag it in. Actually, I wanted the happy face to be after this line. I'm going to put it down there. There's too much space there, etc. All right, look. Now I have a little social story with 3 images included, and I never even needed to open up anything beyond my Read and Write extension. Pretty cool, huh?